This fabulous farmland is located in the most breathtaking part of Putnam County in the beautiful Cherry Creek countryside, where rolling acres provides the backdrop to the pretty countryside views that this area of the Upper Cumberland has been recognized for over the years. On Greenbelt, there are 2 barns, one new in 2017, outbuildings, ponds, acreage that is fenced and cross-fence, electric fence post/wire. Buyers can divide into tracts if desired. Sellers will need 30 to 45 days from closing to remove farm equipment, etc.